Welcome to this step-by-step 3D modeling tutorial where we'll guide you through the process of creating a stunning recording room with the perfect music room aesthetic using Autodesk Maya. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, we'll break it down into 5 simple yet effective steps to help you design a space that radiates creativity and style. From setting up the basic layout to adding essential elements like soundproofing, lighting, and furniture, you'll learn how to create a room that not only functions as a recording studio, but also captures the right atmosphere for inspiration. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools to craft a sleek, immersive recording room with realistic textures and proportions, perfect for any project. So grab your mouse, fire up Maya, and let's dive in to bring your vision to life. Add a cube. Go into vertices mode by clicking right-click on the mouse and by using X on the keyboard, snap it as the video. Go into Mesh Tools and select Insert Edge Loop Tools, and then insert the edge loop in the middle of the cube. Select the middle edge and bevel it by selecting the Bevel button, as per the video, or press Ctrl EBE on your keyboard, and change the values of fraction 0.9 and segments 12.
Select the middle edges as per the video by double-clicking on the mouse. Bevel them and put the value of fraction 0.1 the cube. Now go into Faces mode and select the faces as per the video.
And reciprocal on the other side as well. Extrude them. And set the value of thickness 0.5 and segments 0.1. Here you go, we just created the wall of our music room. Change the size of thickness as per liking. Add a cube. By using Snap, I keep holding X on your keyboard, make a rectangle to make a window. Select the middle faces and delete them. Now select the remaining side faces and extrude them by the value of thickness 0.2. And bevel them by selecting Ctrl+B on your keyboard and change the value around fraction 1 and segments 10. There you go, here's the window for our recording room. Here I am adjusting the mesh in the layer. Just to be sure of my process, you can ignore it. Duplicate the mesh by clicking Shift+D on your keyboard and align it as per the video. Save the project by using Ctrl+S. Now double-click to select the inside faces. Hold right-click, choose Merge Face to Center, and bring the vertices together. Next, double-click to select the edges, as demonstrated in the video, and simply delete them. And reciprocal the same process on the opposite side. Here, I'm scaling up the window to prepare for the Boolean operation. Now select the walls we just created and align them carefully. And combine the walls. First, select the wall, then the window. Navigate to the Mesh menu, hover over Boolean, and choose Difference. And just like that, there's your wall, perfectly crafted. Start by adding a cube to the scene and adjusting its size as a reference. This will define the back wall of our music room. Now, switch to vertices mode to simplify the process, making precise adjustments both horizontally and vertically. Use this to shape the reference for both the back wall and the side walls seamlessly. Change the thickness and make it as a reference for the next part A. Add a cube to the scene and press Ctrl+1 to enter isolation mode, allowing you to work on the cube without distractions. Begin by adjusting its dimensions. Set the width to 2, the height to approximately 2, and the depth to a precise 0.06, yes, 0.06 for depth. Now, refine the structure by increasing the subdivision values for both the width and the height to around 15, ensuring the cube has the detail needed for the next steps. This setup is perfect for creating clean and precise geometry. Enter Faces mode by pressing Tab button on your keyboard, one key at a time. As you hover over the faces, select them according to the desired pattern. Now, hold Shift and select any remaining faces to complete the selection. Next, make sure to turn off the Keep Faces Together icon. After that, adjust the offset value to approximately 0.05 and the thickness to 0.1. And there you have it, your sound foam panels are now perfectly shaped. Once done, exit isolation mode by pressing Ctrl 1 on your keyboard and return to your main scene. To add texture, right-click on the object and drag your mouse down to the bottom. Select the third last option, Assign New Material, in the pop-up menu. Choose Arnold, then select iStandard Surface. Feel free to rename the material as you like. Next, duplicate the material by pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard and align the new panel beside the original. Repeat the same process we used earlier to assign the texture, and remember to rename the duplicated material accordingly. Now alternate the panels and align them carefully. To ensure precision, press X on your keyboard while moving the panels to snap them to the grid. Apply the opposite material to the assigned mesh, as demonstrated below. Next, duplicate the panels by pressing Shift or Ctrl+D, and use X to snap and align them forward in the correct position. Once the bottom two layers are in place, combine them into a single unit and repeat the process to fill the entire wall. Continue aligning, snapping, and duplicating the panels until the wall is fully covered and the texture is applied seamlessly. And there you go, your soundproof foam panel wall is now complete, expertly crafted in 3D and ready to transform your music room setup. Now, create a smaller wall with a reduced width to serve as the sides of the room. Adjust its size to fit perfectly within the room's layout. Let's speed up the process and fine-tune these adjustments to shape the entire space. And here we have it, our recording room, fully equipped with soundproof foam panels, ready for a perfect acoustical environment. Now let's enhance the front wall by adding a wooden material, or any texture you prefer to complement the room's aesthetics. This will not only improve the visual appeal, but also bring a unique touch, elevating the overall ambience of your recording space. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to create a recording room that blends aesthetics and functionality. Don't forget, experimenting with different materials and textures is key to adding depth and personality to your scenes, helping you craft the perfect vibe for a music room or any creative environment. The more you practice and explore, the more unique and immersive your designs will become. If you're passionate about 3D modeling and want to keep learning, make sure to subscribe to this channel for regular tutorials covering all aspects of 3D creation. Follow me on Instagram for behind-the-scenes content, tips, and updates on new projects. For those interested in using or studying high-quality 3D models, check out my collections on Sketchfab, TurboSquid, and SheetRaider, where you'll find everything from basic assets to detailed masterpieces. Your support helps keep this community growing, so hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.